Here we go! Welcome to Life Advisors with Conditionals. If you don't sleep 7 to 9 hours nightly, your brain can consolidate memories. But sleep is crucial to transferring memories from the hippocampus to the neocortex. If you maintain a consistent sleep schedule, you may reduce the risk of developing depression. Sleep irregularity alters neurotransmitters such as serotonin, linking to the mood. If you want your immune system to function optimally, body must get adequate good sleep. Sleep releases substances that fight infections and improve health. If you regularly sleep less than 6 hours, you may develop insulin resistance. Sleep deprivation disrupts glucose metabolism and increases the risk of type 2 diabetes. If you sleep in a complete dark room, your sleep quality can improve significantly. Darkness promotes maximum melatonin production and prevents the cycle of interrupts.